Today is November 13th, 2018. I had a great watch list. I'm going to go ahead and pull this over because I fill this out every morning. Go ahead and pull this over to the screenshot. And this title it plays for today's date, 11/13/2018. And those are the catalysts over to the side. So those are the plays that I had FENNG, the missed earnings on there, YRD, missed revenue, GLBS, good earnings, GDS, good earnings, VERI, good earnings, NMM, good earnings, BZH, good earnings, and then VKTX. It had a FDA news on that. It was good FDA news. So that's the catalyst on each one of these plays that I'm playing, and I fill this out every day. It's more of a spreadsheet, but I just pull it out of the spreadsheet and just typed it into a Google Doc. What you see on the screen is what I played. I had this Beazer Homes because Home Depot did really good, and this followed suit. It had earnings as well. Again, it was good earnings just like Home Depot did. So all of those California wildfires are going on right now, so you're going to have a whole lot of rebuilding. And plus they reported the earnings that was really good, so they're going to have to rebuild out there out west due to those wildfires. But I played to the downside. I shorted it. Let me see where I was. I shorted it. Yeah, so shorted 1004 right here in this candle. Let me move this over a whole lot more. All right. 1004 would be here. So it was overextended. So you had this pop. So an initial drop, and then you had a pop here. So it got overextended right up in this area. Once it gave me this candle right here, and this is a rejection right at 1044. So it rejected at 1044. The next was a red candle, so I knew to look to get in. I got my fill at 1004, which was right up in here on this candle. Again, the market operates in 3s, 5s, and 7s. So I know I'm in on the second candle. So I know I only had one candle to go, and that's exactly what I did. I went ahead and got out at the next candle at 988. Closed it out right up in here. Up at the top, yeah, right up in here, 988 or so. I should have waited a little longer. I could have got out down here, but looking back in hindsight, you can see that it popped up again. So I'm glad I did close the trade out because it got right back towards my entry at 990 here, and then proceeded to go to the upside. Had a lot of volume. Volume was really good. Participants was there, and as you can see now, it's just continuing to climb higher and higher because it did really good earnings, but it got overextended. We're already up 24% now. I think here we was at right at 20% when I got my field. It was a little bit 4% lower when I got filled at 1004. So the indicator popped up at really here. That's when the indicator popped up, but I got in a little late. I didn't get a fill. I had to cancel a couple of orders, and then I got filled here in this particular candle at 1004 and closed it out at 988 for a 16-cent gain. Usually what I want to wait on is a 20-cent gain, so I missed 4 cents. 4 cents not bad, and plus the trade was to the upside. It was a counter trend. Any counter trend trades you really dangerous. It's not really dangerous, but if you know what you're doing and you got the indicators and studies on your side, you can go ahead and make that play. If you want to go ahead and click the mouse or you hit your hotkeys if you're confident in what you're doing, because right now we're standing at 1038. So again, this is trending up. The stock was up when I shorted it. So it was counter trend. I went ahead and got my close at a 16-cent gain. It was pretty good. If you want the studies and indicators that I'm using, go ahead and click the link below. It's a PayPal link. When you click that link, it'll have all zeros. Type in $2.99. I'm selling the indicators and studies for $299, and I'll give you the keys to the kingdom. $2.99. You'll see all zeros when you click that link. Type in 29900. And click next, and you go ahead and put your credit card information into a secure PayPal link. So, and then I message you once I get the information in on my end, and then we can schedule when we can go over those indicators and studies so I can show you exactly how I'm using them. Thinkorswim is the platform that I'm using. Thinkorswim is free. So if you want to go ahead and sign up for Thinkorswim if you hadn't already done so, it's absolutely free. They also have a paper side to where you can paper trade. If you want to get the indicators and try it out without risking a penny, without risking one dime, you can. and go ahead and type those, and the indicators work on the paper side plus the live side. So you'll be able to try it out before you actually risk any money. So it's zero risk to you other than just getting the indicator, because I use these indicators day in and day out. 9 times out of 10, that watch list that I send out on Twitter every morning has given me at least 2 or 3 indicators pop up on those, whether it be right at the open or first hour. Again, this was the first hour. My first trade was 10:18. That's within the first hour. 10:30, of course, is a solid hour, but within that time frame, you'll get an indicator to pop up to go ahead and be able to get your play. I only had 420 shares. I'm going to go ahead and pull the PNL over right here. 6720, not bad. And again, you can follow me on Twitter at the Chart Stopper at Twitter. Type that into the URL and you'll be able to get to me. Let me go to the Twitter page. That's my Twitter page here. Go to home so you can see a little bit better. There. All right. So there's the URL, twitter.com/thechartstalker. You'll be able to get to me. You'll get my watch list every morning, no later than 8:15 Central Standard Time, 9:15 Eastern Standard Time. And you'll get that hot watch list that we went over earlier in the beginning of this video. So if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll get all the information that you want to get. Hit the notification and the bell so you'll know when I upload. I normally upload, not every day, but often, and you'll be able to get the videos that I'm putting out each and every pretty good amount of time as far as the videos that are coming out, so you can get some little education, plus the PayPal link for the indicators and studies. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, and as I always say in parting, to live is Christ and to die is gain.